Alright, so I'm in Brest, which is in Brittany, in the northwest of France. So I took the tram up to Plusanet. And today I want to walk from the beach of Sainte-Anne to the lighthouse of the Petit Minot, and then back again to the tram. So I want to see how long it will be in terms of kilometers, and I also want to see how long it's going to take me. We have to note though that I'm going to stop for lunch and I'm going to stop all the time to take photos, so it's a slow walk. So my weapon for today is going to be the Nikon D7500, and I am at the beach of Sainte-Anne. So apparently that's the start of the walk. Dear Lord, those steps are so tiny. This was so not good for my vertigo. I'm far from the lighthouse of the Petit Minot, but it's okay because it's only 12, so, and I'm not in a hurry, even though I do need to go back. It is a slow walk indeed, because I'm stopping every 2 seconds for photos. Ça c'est le fort du Délec. Where is the exit? I think maybe I will have to go back to the entrance. Oh no. Yeah, I have to go back. Yeah, this way. So that's probably the Fort du Mingan. By the way, I need to change this GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero 7 and it has so many issues. The screen is like absolutely cracked. You can see the circuits inside. The batteries are not holding at all, and a few software issues too. So yeah. So I need to hurry up a little bit because it's 3 p.m. and I'm not yet at the lighthouse. I would say I'm at about 3/4 of the way. So yeah, but then I will need to come back. So I should hurry up a little bit. But I'm happy because I saw a lizard. Well, this time I managed to film it and to take photos. And a butterfly stopped on my shoes. So, good news. It's sunny now. So, good news. But it's getting really warm. And there are flies flying everywhere. So yeah, you can't have everything. For a moment there, it feels like Mediterranean weather, with like, especially with that vegetation. I can see it. The lighthouse, le phare du Petit Minot, the Little Kitty Lighthouse. Alright, nearly there. That's my goal. It's nearly 4 p.m. Right, so I've reached my goal. It's 4 p.m. right on the clock. And I am going back, but a different way. And I have nearly no more batteries on the GoPro, so that will be filmed on my phone probably. Okay, goodbye, lighthouse. I'm not going to go along the sea like I've done to go there. I'm going to go through the countryside. Right now it's slightly over 9 kilometers, and so I'm just coming back from the lighthouse. So should be around 18 at least in total. I don't know what that is. Is that supposed to be a shower? I am getting closer to the tram, even though I still have a good way to go. Well, I'm actually getting closer to Sainte-Anne, the beach, so I'm closer to the tram, and it's 6 p.m. and I am at the beach of Sainte-Anne. I am so tired. I really wanted to put my feet in that water, but a little bit afraid to drop everything in the water. I'm nearly at the tram. It's right there on the right. So I am currently at 17 kilometers, so that should be more. I'm not yet at the tram. I can see the tram. They have ship in there. Yeah, ship. That's like a military company, I think. And yes, I am finally there. And it is, yeah, nearly 7.
Et pas avec une minute.